Imagine standing on the edge of the world, where ancient giants drift silently by the coastline. Icebergs don't just float here, they tell a story. Welcome to Twillingate, Newfoundland. Right now we are at Twillingate, the Iceberg Capital of the world. And next we are going to voyage the boat to see the icebergs up and close. So please stay tuned with us and see what's in store for us. To get the best iceberg views, hop on a boat tour. Several local operators run multiple tours of different durations that take you close but safely around the icebergs. We have taken Iceberg Quest, but at the end of the video, I'll give you a detailed description and some tips and tricks about these boat tours. So please stay tuned.
Coming to the front and tying off into a nice solid knot. Alright? And the key is to snout like a pipe.
Icebergs, the massive floating sculptures, are over 10,000 years old, broken off from glaciers in western Greenland. They drift along a path called the Iceberg Alley. The Twillingate is right on it. The boats usually take you through the rugged coastline of Twillingate, and while on the boat, my suggestion would be to keep an eye around the water, because you never know, you may get lucky and see some wildlife there.
All the way.
So this is North Twillingate Island, this is South Twillingate Island. So we'll go all the way around and then back in there.
Perfect. Thank you.
Almost like you will with the wilderness. You'll see what I'm talking about as we come along, as you see, like just clumps of
They range in size, from small growlers to massive cathedral-like icebergs, some as tall as a 15-story building. Only about 10% of an iceberg is visible above water. The rest remains hidden beneath the surface, silent and mysterious. That's what makes them so beautiful and a little dangerous too. But for locals here, they are more than just a sight. They are a signal of the season, a reminder that winter is ending and summer has begun. In the past, icebergs were feared by sailors as unpredictable, massive, and sometimes deadly. But today, they have become symbols of natural wonder and resilience. Each iceberg that passes Twillingate is on a one-way journey. It eventually melts into the sea, a slow return to the ocean it came from. So, once it's gone forever. Iceberg season typically starts from mid-May to mid-July, peaking in June, and boat tours usually start late May, even if birds are seen earlier in some years. I would recommend to book the tours and local accommodations early because they tend to fill fast in June-July, and the number of local accommodations is quite less here, so it's better to be proactive in doing this booking earlier. While coming to Iceberg Tour, there are quite a few options. You can select from island boat tours, adventure tours, Quest Ocean Tours, and many others. The price usually ranges from $75 to $150 depending on the duration and the size of the vessel. You can choose depending on your preference and your quest of adventure.
Yay! We got iceberg!
Here are some important booking tips. Number 1. Contact the operator directly through phone or email to secure a spot because walk-ins are riskier. Number 2. Check the cancellation policies because weather and iceberg presence can be unpredictable. Number 3. Follow their social media or icebergfinder.com for real-time updates on iceberg sightings before your tour. Here are some ad hoc but important tips. First, dress warmly because even summer days on the water are cold. Layers and windproof jackets are recommended. Number 2. Carry your shades and sunscreen to protect your eyes and skin from the heat. Number 3. During the boat tour, make sure to secure your camera and mobile phone properly so that in the excitement of seeing an iceberg, they don't accidentally fall into the water. And number 4, enjoy the sightings because it could be once in a lifetime experience. if you like our blog, please like and subscribe and share it with your family and friends. And if you have any question with respect to your future Twillingate tours, please comment in the section and we'll reply back with the proper response. Also, if you like to see some more videos on our other tours, please stay tuned and watch our channel. Thank you.